Hello, friends, and a very warm welcome back to Everyday English Chats. I am so happy to see you here again. Whether you are grabbing a quick coffee, sitting on the bus, or relaxing at home, we are thrilled to be part of your day.
That is right. We are so excited to dive into today's lesson. You know, food is such a huge part of life. We all love to eat, we love to try new things, but ordering food in English can be surprisingly stressful.
Oh, absolutely. I remember the first time I went to a busy restaurant in a foreign country. It was loud, the waiters were moving so fast, and I felt like I had to speak perfectly or I would go hungry. It was actually quite scary.
It really is. There is so much pressure when the waiter is standing there with a pen, waiting for you to speak. You get nervous, you forget your vocabulary, and maybe you just point at the menu instead of speaking.
But not anymore. Today, we are going to change that. We're going to turn that fear into confidence. Today's topic is at a busy restaurant. We are going to cover everything from ordering your meal to asking for the bill and even handling those tricky moments when things go wrong.
That is a big one. Knowing how to fix a mistake politely is a superpower. So by the end of this video, you'll be ready to walk into any restaurant, sit down, and order exactly what you want with a smile on your face.
Sounds delicious. Let's get started. The first thing we need to talk about is politeness. In English, especially in dining situations, being polite is just as important as using the right words.
Definitely. You might learn the word want in school, like I want the pizza. But in a restaurant, saying I want can sound a little bit demanding or even rude.
Exactly. It sounds like a command. Instead, we use softer phrases. We say things like I would like, or could I have, or can I get.
Can I get is very common in casual places, like a cafe or a burger joint. But I would like, or could I have, works everywhere, from a taco truck to a fancy steakhouse.
So let's imagine the scene. You are at a busy bistro. It is lunchtime. Plates are clattering, people are talking, and the server walks up to your table.
Step 1 is the greeting. The server usually asks, "Are you ready to order?" or simply, "What can I get for you today?"
And this is your moment to shine. We are going to role play a full interaction for you. In this scene, pay close attention to how we handle dietary needs. I am going to be the customer, and I have a severe peanut allergy.
And I'll be the server. I'll try to be a little bit fast, just like a real waiter in a busy restaurant. Let's see how this goes.
I'm ready.
Hi there, welcome in. Are you ready to order, or do you need a few more minutes with the menu?
Hi, I think I'm ready. Everything looks great, but I have a quick question about the menu.
Sure thing. What do you need to know?
Does the Thai chicken salad contain peanuts? I have a severe peanut allergy, so I need to be careful.
Let me double check for you. The dressing usually has a peanut base, so yes, that one wouldn't be safe. But the grilled lemon chicken is completely nut-free and very popular.
Oh, that sounds perfect. I'll have the grilled lemon chicken, please.
Excellent choice. And would you like any sides with that? Fries, salad, or roasted vegetables?
Could I have the roasted vegetables, please? And could I get a glass of water with no ice?
You got it. Grilled lemon chicken with roasted veggies and water with no ice. I'll get that started for you right away.
Thank you so much.
All right, scene. That was smooth.
It felt smooth. Did you notice what I did there? I didn't just order blindly. I stated my need clearly. I said, I have a severe peanut allergy.
That is so important. Never be afraid to speak up about your health. Using the phrase, does this contain, is the best way to ask. Does this contain dairy? Does this contain meat?
And notice the politeness phrases. I said, could I have the roasted vegetables? And could I get a glass of water? It softens the request.
It makes the server want to help you. Now, let's move to the second part of our lesson, the mistake.
Oh yes, the mistake. Sometimes, even if you order perfectly, the kitchen gets it wrong. Maybe you asked for no onions, and your burger is covered in onions.
This is an awkward moment for many learners. They feel shy, they don't want to complain, so they just eat the onions or pick them off quietly.
But you don't have to do that. You're paying for the meal, and you deserve to enjoy it. The key is to be polite but firm. You don't need to be angry, you just need to inform them.
Exactly. You shouldn't shout, "Hey, this is wrong." Instead, try saying, "Excuse me, I think there's been a misunderstanding."
Or simply, "I'm so sorry, but I ordered this without onions." Using "I'm sorry" doesn't mean it's your fault. It's just a way to introduce a correction gently.
Let's role play this. We're going back to our table. I'm the server coming back with the food, but I've made a mistake.
Okay, I'm hungry and ready to eat. Let's see what happens.
Here you go, the grilled lemon chicken with a big side of French fries. Enjoy.
Oh, excuse me, sorry to bother you.
Yes, is everything okay?
Actually, I think there's a small mix-up. I ordered the roasted vegetables, not the fries.
Oh my goodness, I am so sorry about that. It's been such a busy lunch rush. I must have written it down wrong.
That's no problem at all. I just wanted to let you know.
I really appreciate your patience. Let me take those fries back and get your vegetables right now. It'll only be 1 minute.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
And scene. See, that wasn't scary at all.
Not at all. I didn't get angry. I just pointed out the difference. I said, I think there's a small mix-up. That's a magic phrase. It blames the situation, not the person.
Exactly. Mix-up is a great word for a mistake. It sounds very casual and forgiving, and because you were nice about it, the server was happy to fix it quickly.
So we've ordered, we've fixed a mistake, and we've eaten a delicious meal. Now comes the final step, the bill.
The check, the bill, the damage. Just kidding, don't call it the damage. In the US, we usually say check. In the UK, bill is more common, but both words work everywhere.
The most common way to ask is simply, could we get the bill, please? Or check, please, if you're in a rush.
But sometimes you want to split the bill with your friend. Maybe you're paying for your meal and I'm paying for mine.
That is a very useful phrase. You can ask, can we have separate checks? Or could you split the bill for us?
Let's do a quick mini role play for this. We're finished eating. I'm the server walking by.
Excuse me.
Yes, can I get you anything else? Dessert, maybe?
No, thank you. We're quite full. Everything was delicious. Could we get the bill, please?
Absolutely. Are you paying together or separate today?
We'll pay together. Here is my card.
Great. I'll be right back with your receipt.
Simple as that.
Very simple. And one quick note on culture, especially in places like the US or Canada, when the bill comes, it usually doesn't include the tip.
Right, that's extra money for the server's service. In some countries, it's included. In others, it's rude to tip. So always check the custom of the country you're visiting.
Now, we've done a lot of listening today, but you can't learn to speak just by listening. You have to open your mouth and use the muscles.
That's right, it's practice time. I'm going to say some of the key phrases we used today. I want you to repeat them after me. I'll leave a quiet space for you. Don't be shy. Say it loud and clear.
Let's start with the polite order. Imagine you're hungry. Ready?
Could I have the chicken, please?
Good. One more time. Focus on the could I.
Could I have the chicken, please?
Excellent. Now, let's practice the dietary restriction. This one could save your life, so say it clearly.
Does this contain peanuts?
Very good. Now, let's try the mistake phrase. Remember, keep your voice calm.
Excuse me, I think there's a mix-up.
That was great. Mix up. It's a fun word to say. Let's do the whole sentence.
Excuse me, I think there's a mix-up.
Perfect. And finally, let's ask for the check.
Could we get the bill, please?
And one more time for good luck.
Could we get the bill, please?
You guys are doing amazing, I can tell.
I can hear the confidence building. You know, the more you practice these scripts, the less nervous you'll feel when you're actually in the restaurant.
It's all about muscle memory. If you practice saying, could I have 20 times at home, it'll just pop out of your mouth automatically when you're hungry.
Now, we want to hear from you. We love reading your comments. It makes us feel like we are really chatting with you.
Yes, so for today's interaction question, we want to know about your food preferences.
The question is, what is your favorite restaurant dish, and do you have a go-to order?
A go-to order means something you order every single time because you love it so much. For me, it's a cheeseburger with extra pickles. I order it everywhere.
For me, it's definitely pad thai. I can't resist it. So tell us in the comments. My favorite dish is, or I always order. We can't wait to read about all the delicious food. It might make us hungry though. It definitely will. Before we go, we want to leave you with a little positive thought.
Today's quote is about trying new things. Life is like a menu. You have to wait and choose, but the best dishes are the ones you haven't tried yet.
Oh, I love that. It applies to food and to learning English. Don't be afraid to try new words. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's all part of the flavor of life.
Thank you so much for joining us today on Everyday English Chats. You practiced ordering, you practiced correcting mistakes, and you practiced being confident.
You are doing great. Keep practicing, go treat yourself to a nice meal if you can, and use your English.